welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be continuing from the previous lecture. Now, here in our login page, what we need to do is if someone types in the URL, we will automatically identify whether the user is logged in or not, and if they are logged in, they will be redirected to the home page. So, to do that, we'll be first of all including the redirect from router, and the next thing that we need to do is make use of the use auth that we are doing over here. And here, this session that we have, we will be using that now. And to do that, we'll be just checking if this session is there, then we'll be redirecting the user to the home page where they will be greeted with the logout message. So just before the return, we'll check for this session, and if it's there, we'll be simply redirecting the user to that page. Now, the session that we have created under use auth will now also be taking it further to the index page. And to do that, in our index page, we will be utilizing this use auth hook that we created. So here we'll say import use auth. And once we have done that, we will be using the session from this use auth, and now we'll be using this particular session to provide the add event button. So only users who are logged in will be able to click on the add event button and then create the event. So here, this paragraph tag that we have, will be wrapping it inside this session check. And now let's go ahead inside the directory and run this and see it in action. Let's launch it. So here you can see we are already logged in, so it says logout. And if I just go here, click on logout, now we are on this screen. Click on login. So this is the URL, and let's paste it over here as well. Now here we'll be entering the email ID. Click on submit, and let's go ahead and click on the email link that we have received. So here you can see we are logged in after clicking the link in the email. Now if I go back over here and click enter, you'll notice that I'm automatically being redirected to the home page, and all the events that we have is shown over here. Even the add event button that you see is coming up. Now let's log out one more time, and as soon as I do that, you can see that the add event button is no more accessible to the user. So that's how we can pass the session to each and every component that we are using or we might use in future using this approach.